10 ml of water in test tube. Add the food coloring. You can choose any color. I choose red. Now we need to mix it with a mixing stick. Now add half scoop of baking soda and mix it again. But we need to mix very properly. The baking soda should not stick in the tube. Now pour 20 ml of vegetable oil. Add the vegetable oil to the test tube. The oil will not dissolve in water and the oil will float. You can see. See? It's very separated. Look, you can see it clearly, right? Now add half scoop of citric acid. Ready guys? The volcano is going to burst out. Where is there you go? That was very close. It will now rewind. Did you see that? What is happening? Wow, it's very bursting. If we take the cap off, it will burst out everywhere. That's why we get mess mat. It's very safe to have a mess mat. But after this, we need to just wash our hands. Don't miss for that. It will be very exciting. Look, so many bubbles. I can hear some cracking sound in it. Now let's shake. Now it's very getting fast. Look, the bubbles are just going up. I'm going to add some more citric acid. It's very fun. I'm very excited. Look, the bubbles are going up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like in, out, in, out, in, out. Yeah. Come on, you can do this. It's very going faster. It's going very faster. Look, so many bubbles. It's like a lava. If you like my video, you can just give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you in next video. Bye.